Hey, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about how to build that unshakable confidence before you hit record. Because right now, if you're like most people, as soon as that camera turns on, you disappear. You're just absolutely gone. Your heart races, your voice cracks, and you second, what kind of cracking was that? And you second guess everything that you're thinking or you say. And then deep down, you just start thinking to yourself, maybe I'm not cut out for this. Maybe this isn't the path that I was destined to take. But I'm here to tell you, you are destined to take this path. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. Confidence isn't something that you wait for. It's something that you have to build. You have to stack those blocks and build it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first started my, we'll say YouTube journey, my film journey, the red light scared the shit out of me. Can I say shit? I'd get all sweaty and I'd psych myself out for hours, and then maybe I would start second guessing my script or my video or my channel altogether. But now I look forward to it. Honestly, it's one of the best parts of my day or week. And it's not because I changed who I am, it's because I changed what I do before I start to record. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the 4 habits that I do that rewired my brain completely. It killed the fear and it made filming honestly fun. You wanna prep like an athlete, not like a perfectionist. Now I know maybe some of you aren't athletes, but let's try to think like an athlete just for a little bit. You don't need to memorize the perfect script before your video. You need to warm up. Before every session, every filming session that is, I pace around, I get all amped up like before a sports game or anything that you can relate to like that. I talk out loud, I do vocal exercises, which we'll talk about in a little bit. I get the jitters out, you know? Shake it out, man. You don't have to just like sit on your couch like this, hit record and go. Prep up a little bit. Treat this like a workout just a little bit. You don't walk in a gym and just deadlift 300 pounds right off rip. Well, I don't really do that at all anyways. You warm up first. You don't go out there and run a marathon. You do the half marathon first. You know, you walk a block, then you run a mile, then you run 5 miles. You have to warm up. Is my point. You can say anything out loud for about 5 minutes. Whatever you want. Garbage sentences, just babble, read your favorite book or passage out loud. You can do that. But I want to tell you something that I do that I've learned years ago that really helps me. And after doing this a few times, your brain won't be frozen anymore. It'll be better. Now, you ready? Here's what I do. Now, like I said, I learned this years ago and it's very simple. Memorize this. While one black bug bled blue black blood, the other black bug bled blue. Let's say it slower just so you can hear it. While one black bug bled blue black blood, the other black bug bled blue. That's it. I say that over and over about 20 times every time before I talk to somebody in person or before I hit record. And you can do it in a variety of different ways. You can do it faster. While one black bug bled blue black blood, the other black bug bled blue. You can do it while you're laughing. While one black bug bled blue black blood, the other black bug bled blue. And it doesn't matter if you mess up. It's you're getting your tongue going, you're getting warmed up, you're getting ready. Say it sad. Well, one black bug bled blue black blood, mama, the other black blood bled blue. See, do you get... Cut! You have to stop chasing the energy and create the energy. Can you feel the energy? Honestly, waiting to feel confident is like waiting for lightning to strike you. I mean, it could strike you, but it also most likely won't strike you. In fact, you are more likely to get eaten by sharks. And if you've noticed, all your favorite creators or whoever you like, actors, musicians, they don't wait for energy, they create that energy. You could also try something like this before you film. I do this sometimes. Right before you film, blast a song that you absolutely love. Dance to it, feel that energy, say the song, and then as soon as you're done listening to it, hit record and bring that energy into your recording. It just loosens the nerves a little bit. This isn't about faking confidence or telling yourself something different. It's all about changing your state of mind, changing your state. Confidence isn't always in your mind. It's not. Half of it is in your body. And if you get your body right, your confidence will go right with it. And if you get your confidence right, your brain will follow. Is this making sense? Are you guys hearing what I'm saying? Can you hear what I'm saying? So here's something very important that I do as well. You want to rehearse the start of your video, not the whole thing. Most people that I know, they rehearse their whole video and then they start to panic at the start of the video. Just rehearse like the first 15 to 20 seconds of your video, nail the intro and just keep it rolling from there. It's like a domino effect. You will build momentum. Crush the intro. Here's the thing, I don't start any YouTube videos by just going in cold. I rehearse and rehearse and rehearse and do while one black bug bled blue black blood, the other black bug bled blue, So when I start my intro, I start with the energy like I'm going from it. See, I already messed up words. I start my intro with the energy of an outro. That's a huge key that I use for success. The rest just will follow. Don't rehearse to remember. Rehearse to relax. I've mentioned this before in other videos, but don't talk to the internet. Don't talk to 100,000 people. Talk to just your friend. Talk to one person. And this is absolutely everything in my opinion. Talking to an audience is a trap. You gotta get that out of your mind. You're talking to one human being, a real person. Picture their face in your mind, that comfort you feel with them. Pretend that's who you're talking to. Or pretend that you're filming a video with no intentions of uploading it. And then when you get done, upload it. The second you stop performing and you just start being yourself is the moment people start to connect with you. The second you stop performing and start connecting is the second that confidence shows up and he's with you to the end. So if you've ever felt like you're not confident enough to be on video, I want you just to remember this. Remember this. Confidence isn't a requirement to start. Confidence is the result of starting. Confidence isn't a requirement to start. It's the result of starting. Does that make sense? Prep like an athlete. Prep like it. Get your energy right. Nail that first 15 seconds and that confidence will come. And remember, pretend you're talking to that one comfortable person. And that's really a game changer for me. And remember, you don't have to feel ready. You just have to hit record and do it. Go out there and shock the world. This is red light ready. Let's do this, bro. Now I'm all hyped up.